It's 2:30 in the morning. I'm at Annapolis, Maryland at the U.S. Naval Academy. I'm Coy Wire, and this is Sea Trials. Yeah! Let's go to the high! Go, go, go! We're getting ready to do low crawl. We gotta push these ammo containers all the way to the opposite end. I think I'm a pretty tough wire, but I'm not as tough as this wire, barbed wire. I hope I don't scratch my head. How you feeling right now?
I'm loving it, man. You know, early in the morning, I still got a lot of energy, but we'll see how it is later on.
It's a long day, baby.
Long day, but.
They're doing their exercises in the water, the wet and sandy, which sounds fun at 5:30 in the morning in 50-degree weather. Woo! You're only as strong as your weakest link, and this shows them that they're only as strong as their weakest link. So they learn how to work together, they learn how to communicate together, and just work on focusing on the mission. And they're gonna need that when they become those future leaders when they go to the fleet.
These plebes are tired, their feet hurt, they're wet, they're sweaty. It's just a very long day for them physically and mentally.
100. Up, down. Wow. Same turn. Bring it up, baby. Right side go, left side go. Go, go, go. Got some in my eye, got some in my ear. Heart's beating, feeling alive. No joke, baby. This is no joke. It's tough, and the crazy thing about it is we've already been doing this for 10 hours. Strong mind is what this takes.
We're at pool phase right now. We have pool PT behind us, out of water PT, swim relays, and then two really cool events are we have a rifle overhead tread, so the plebes will be in the water with the rifle over their head treading and working on teamwork. And we'll have a group of plebes going underwater and undoing locks while holding their breath while their teammates are out there giving them the combination. So it's a really neat event, great team building.
Whatever you do, don't do the flying squirrel. I have no idea what it is, but I don't think I want to find out. Dizzy. Look at this determination. What keeps you going? What are you thinking about as you're going through all this?
Everybody around us, everybody around me, everybody here, we've been learning about everything from leadership to like building up each other, encouragement, trust, all of that throughout the year. So this is like the culmination of all of that.
We're about to head into the endurance course. This is a 3.1 mile course with some uphill, some downhill, some obstacles.
Coy, babe. There we go, there we go.
Hey, come on, you guys, finish strong!
What kept you going? Why didn't you quit?
These people. I have so many people here. They're looking out for me. Honestly, I've never felt anything like that before. Like, gives me shivers thinking
Does it
about it.
inspire you to be that for someone else now?
No doubt, no doubt.
It's been 14 hours of blood, sweat, and tears. They could have quit, but they didn't. Sea Trials is done. Yeah!